In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Vercel App. By the end, you'll have a new project live on the web with just a few clicks, whether you're starting from a template or importing an existing repository. First, open your browser and go to vercel.com. Vercel is a platform for deploying web apps quickly with smart defaults for modern frameworks. The homepage is straightforward and responsive, so any modern browser will work well. If you're prompted to sign in, follow the on-screen steps. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. On the dashboard, look to the top right and click Add New. This button is your gateway to creating and connecting projects. From the small menu that appears, choose Project. That tells Vercel you want to spin up a brand new deployment rather than, say, adding a team or integration. Now you'll decide how to create your app. If you already have code hosted on a Git provider, you can import a Git repository. Vercel integrates with popular providers, and importing lets you keep your usual workflow. Every push to your main or preview branches can trigger automatic builds and deployments. It's ideal if your app already exists and you just want it live fast. If you don't have a repository ready, or you'd rather start from a well-structured example, you can clone a template. Templates come pre-configured for popular frameworks and use sensible defaults, so you can get a working app online in minutes without wrestling with setup. To explore the full catalog, click Browse All. This opens Vercel's gallery of templates organized by frameworks, use cases, and starter kits. Take a moment to skim descriptions so you pick one that matches what you want to build, whether it's a simple static site, a Next.js app, or another modern stack. Once you find the one you want, select the template and continue. You'll be shown a summary of what's included. Confirm the choice, and Vercel will prepare the project. If there are optional fields, the defaults are usually fine to get started, and you can always adjust settings later in the dashboard. When you're ready, click Deploy. Vercel will provision the project, install dependencies, build the app, and then give you a live URL as soon as the first deployment completes. You can watch build logs in real time to understand what's happening under the hood. After the deployment finishes, open the provided URL to see your app running. From here, you can iterate confidently. Every change you make and push will trigger a fresh, automated deployment. And that's it. Go to Vercel, add a new project, choose between importing a repo or cloning a template, browse to find the right starter, select it, and click Deploy to go live.